Okay, now we have 3 videos. Let's create a sequence. So first of all, double click on first one and take a small portion and then drag and drop it here. Now a sequence is created according to that portion. Now select the second video and take out the small portion like this and drag and drop the video. Hold Alt and use mouse scroll to zoom in and zoom out. Then click on this video, take the small portion like this and drag and drop it here. Like this. I think this one is little bit larger. So we have imported 3 videos, 1, 2 and 3. And all of these videos are not complete videos, they are the small portion of 3 different videos. Okay, now the next tool I want to tell you is the Ripple Edit tool. Okay, so what it does, so if I do the same thing that Ripple Edit tool does with the selection tool, it do this thing. So this thing will be done by the Ripple tool. And let's use the Ripple tool, and if I drag and drop it like this, you can see what is happening. Sorry, this. So this is the Ripple Edit tool. Okay, you can see that it is automatically decreasing the duration of this video and it is changing the place of this video. Okay, now the next tool is Rolling Edit tool. So what it does, it allows us to move the sequence, move the video in any part we want. Like, let's use it like this. You can see that this portion is decreasing and this portion is increasing. Okay, so what is the difference of the Ripple Edit tool and Rolling Edit tool? So if I'm going to select the Ripple Edit tool and I'm going to expand this video, what will happen? It is going to expand every single thing. So I've expanded this portion and then it has moved all of the portions forward. But with the Rolling Edit tool, it is just going to move in the specific area. Both of them have their own uses and try to use them. The next thing is the red stretch tool. So it increase and decrease the duration of the video. So right now we have the video like this. Let's import a specific video for this red stretch tool.